Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and if you want to learn Godot in 2026, I may have the perfect bundle for you. Why? Well, because it is called the Learn Godot Complete Course Bundle 2026. Now this is a collection of courses from Zenva, generally pretty good stuff. I asked for you guys to let me know what you think of Zenva, and generally it's a pretty positive response, unlike a certain, but anyways, you can see this one is organized into tiers. Each tier you get all of the stuff below it. In this case, it very rarely makes sense because the $1 tier here, you got an introduction level course. I guess you could pick that up to find out if you like Zenva's course design, and if you like it more, you pick the whole thing up, and you're also getting one of design. The median price one adds in 2 more courses. Now you're going to notice this Humble Bundle exclusive tag. That is the important thing to notice, especially this one. First time Humble Bundle exclusive. This means that these have never been in previous bundles, so if you pick this up, there is no replication. And the good thing here is that's the majority of the courses in this top tier. And that's what I'm going to focus on today, is those particular courses, because they're around particular themes. And this is actually really a cool thing that they do, is they kind of pick a project and then they do a course on that project. So like creating an FPS or a third-person game or a strategy game. Well, in this case, we're getting tutorials on a 2D action RPG. So you can see here, this is split over the 3 different parts there. So items and inventory, overworld NPCs, and players and enemies. Those all go together to create, again, an overworld style RPG game, a 2D action RPG like the original Zelda. And then we've got here, you can see a Metroidvania with Godot over 2 parts, a Monster Collector in Godot over 3 parts there, Tower Defense game over 2 parts. Again, all of these are tagged as first time on Humble, which is pretty cool. Introduction to mobile game development, swipe detection, game mobile project, and then we're getting into create a complete 2D platformer in Godot. Now this one is repeated potentially from previous bundles, but doesn't necessarily mean that you already have it. Obviously, it's just be aware of that one. And then things without a tag have been around a couple of times, such as to create a micro turn-based RPG in Godot. And then we got complete local multiplayer in Godot. Micro survival games, so these are just really tiny games to illustrate ideas. Making an AI state machine in Godot 4, craft an inventory system with Godot 4, construct a crafting system in Godot 4, introduction to visual shaders, learn game optimization for Godot 4. Then we get a couple of just generalized things like for pixel arts and techniques in Photoshop, and then one on UI UX design, and one for storytelling. So that is the overview of the bundle. These are as a redemption key on Zenva. If you've never seen Zenva before, well, this is inside of one of the courses. So this is the create a micro turn-based RPG course in this case. Again, you have that one redemption key, so you only have to redeem one time, which is nice. You start the course. Now, there's one really cool thing that Zenva do, is they actually have documents in their course as you're going through it. So here we can see various different lessons for this. So here you can see game design lesson.
Hey everyone, before we actually decide,
and you get an idea of the presentation of the courses. Good solid illustration, very easy to read on a mobile device, etc. Well-produced videos and so on. You can also change up the video speed, so if you want to hear it a little bit more like me, you can go up here to like 2 or 2.5 times. You'll also notice this is the key part. There are files there, and this is the part I've always found most impressive. They do these PDFs of the entire course. So everything you're working on throughout the entire course from beginning to end is available as an ebook as well. So in this particular case, you can see this is 63 pages PDF. All the code examples are in there as well. That is really cool. That's one of the things, my favorite things about Zenva, is every single course that I have encountered with Zenva has included these PDF course notes. On top of that, you get all the assets, a completed project as you're going through it as well. And you're going to notice the versions that you're dealing with, Godot 4.5. So you're talking, these courses are very current to what you're dealing with. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. It is the Learn Godot Complete Course Bundle 2026. By the way, if you use my link, it does help support Gamefromscratch, and I appreciate that very much. So I'm going to finish this off with the same question as always. Have you followed Zenva courses in the past, and would you recommend them? Or more importantly, if you've already picked up some Zenva courses in the past, will you be adding these to your library? Because the majority of these courses are actually completely new to this bundle. Even if you have some Zenva stuff in the past, the vast majority of what is on offer here is new. So let me know what you think. Is it worth 25 bucks to you, or do you like self-guided learning from the internet or another source? Let me know. Comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.